I'm going to show you how to do hot cocoa bombs made out of Kinder eggs. Now this is really cool because you can use them for Easter or Valentine's Day, St. Patty's Day. Here's the mold, the hot cocoa I'm going to use, and the marshmallows. I like to use the Ghirardelli chocolates. These were only 30 cents on clearance in the Christmas section, so I picked up a few bags. I put 5 pieces in each mold. Then I stick them inside the microwave and I put them in there for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now they're done. I'm going to take them out and they should look like this. I have a straw here to spread out the chocolate. You could use whatever you have on hand. Just make sure to cover the whole inside of the mold. Here they are all done. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator and then take them out, and this is what they're going to look like. I had them in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just make sure that the mold is nice and cool. If it's still hot, leave it in a little longer. Now what you're going to do is take the edges and lightly pull outwards. Do not go inwards or it's going to crack. I learned that on the first one I did, but here you can see it slides right out. Here I have 2 of them and I'm going to pour in the hot cocoa. You're only going to fill the one side. You want to fill it high enough, but not too high so that you can leave room for the marshmallows. This one I kept the marshmallows how they were, and this one I cut them up into small pieces. I heated a few more chocolates up so now I can piece them together. So I take some melted chocolate, I put it around the rim of the one egg, and then I put it on top of the other one and I hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. I love the size of these. My kids are going to be having these, so it's the perfect size for them. Now I heated up some white chocolate. I like to add coconut oil to the drizzle. It makes it a little easier to drizzle on top of things. If you're making a lot of the eggs, I would definitely use the coconut oil. It'll stay melted longer. My son helped me decorate these and he had a really fun time. Not only did we have fun making them together, but then we tried them out together, and that was even extra fun. Ah, look at this goodness. I'm telling you, these came out so good. You see the marshmallow pop up. They're absolutely amazing. I hope I gave you a few helpful tips, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye.